2012 Nissan Maxima. We just did a muffler delete on it last week. He brought it back, it wasn't loud enough. So we took out the resonator, right there. Still got the factory converters and all that good jargon. So we took out the resonator and put a vibrant. Part number VIB 1792. 2.5 inch in, 2.5 inch out. Look at that, it's beautiful. Nice and shiny right there. And then there's the rear muffler delete we did earlier in the week. There and there. There's the resonator we cut off right there. This thing's huge, guys. Nobody likes these things. Stop rolling. It's running away. Stop. Anyways, that's what it looks like after. It's got 4-inch tips on it. There'll be a link in the description for the tips and the vibrant muffler, okay? I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. What do you think? Oh, so much. I told you it needed that, bro. Because we did a muffler delete on it last week. It wasn't loud enough. There's sound decibels. There's sound decibels again. 107. That's perfect. Go ahead and back it up. Yeah, that's perfect. Again. Oh yeah. Vibrant guitar. Gives a really nice tone. Let you guys hear on the inside. Sounds good.